In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MyFitnessPal to count calories. Whether you're aiming to lose weight, maintain your fitness level, or simply eat more mindfully, understanding how to effectively track your caloric intake is a crucial first step. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to begin by searching for a calories calculator on Google. There are plenty of reliable options available, and they all serve the same basic purpose to help you determine your daily caloric needs based on your lifestyle and personal goals. Once you find a suitable calculator, go ahead and enter your details. This will usually involve inputting basic information such as your age, gender, height, weight, and any specific weight goals you might have. Next, you'll need to select your activity level. This can range from sedentary if you have a mostly inactive lifestyle to very active if you regularly engage in intense exercise. The activity level you choose will significantly impact your daily caloric needs, so think about your typical week and be honest with yourself about how active you are. Once you've entered all your information, click on the Calculate button. This will generate a daily caloric target tailored to your body and lifestyle. Make a note of this number. It's an important piece of information that you'll be using shortly. Now let's open the MyFitnessPal app. If you haven't already downloaded it, be sure to do so. It's available on most app stores for free. When you have the app up and running, click on the Login button if you already have an account. Enter your email address and password, then click Login to access your MyFitnessPal homepage. Once you're on the homepage, navigate to the Calories section. Here, you'll find an overview of your current caloric intake goals. Click on the Goal button, and then proceed to the Calories section. This is where you'll input the caloric number you received from the calories calculator earlier. Simply enter that number into the app, providing you with a customized daily calorie goal. Don't forget to click Save to ensure your goal is recorded. After this, click the arrow in the upper left to return to the main menu, and then select the diary option. This diary will serve as your daily food log, so click on the Add Food button to start tracking your meals. You'll see a plus sign next to your chosen food items. Tap it to add them to your log. Once added, the app provides a clear breakdown of the calories in your selected foods and also updates your remaining caloric allowance for the day. This real-time tracking helps keep you accountable and aware of your eating habits. And there you have it. You are now equipped to effectively use MyFitnessPal for counting calories. Happy tracking and best wishes on your health journey.